Hey YouTube, it's Sabmabab TCG1, part 2 of my Sandstorm booster box. Let's do this. In the first part I got a few decent hollows, Jolteon and Flareon and Zangoose, and I also got Gardevoir EX and Raichu EX. And I still haven't opened half the boosters, so it'll be interesting to see if I get any more EXs. Dead liver card? No. Alright, in this one we have Psyduck, Slackoth, Duskull, Seedot, Aron, I don't think I have this one yet. Elekid, Breloom, Seedot, and Multi-Energy. What a way to start off part 2. But, oh well, not every pack is going to be good. Alright, this one we have Lotad, which is looking very tired. Sandshrew, Spearow, Aron, Trapinch, Pelipper, Nuzleaf, Reverse Hollow Wailmer, and a Kecleon. I'm pretty sure I got this in the last video. But, oh well. This one we have Growlithe, Root Fossil, Cacnea, Slakoth. Oh wow! Nice! Haven't even opened half the box and I have 3 EXs already. I used to have this one a long time ago and silly me, I sold it. This is one of my favourite Pokemon. Aggron EX, nice. I'm doing pretty good, what do you reckon, Jason?
Nice, I like it very much.
Wow, this is an awesome box. Wally's Training, Arbok, and Mawile. No wait, Reverse Hollow. Mawile and Espeon. So 3 hollows in the one pack, that was really nice. Well, I've got 3 EXs, so I'm not expecting another EX, but another one would surprise me actually. It would be nice, because I think now I'm only missing Aerodactyl, Kabutops, and Wailord. Alright, in this packet we have Dunsparce, Trapinch, Armanite, Eevee, Lotad, Electabuzz, Anorith, yeah, Reverse Hollow Anorith, and the rare is an Umbreon, which I already have in the last video. Pretty soon I'll be selling my Pokemon cards on eBay, so I'll let all you YouTubers know if I'm selling cards and I'll put a link to my eBay. But that's if I do put them on eBay. Cacnea, Pikachu, Wingull, Duskull, Skitty, Curlier, Lairon, Reverse Hollow Trapinch, and Omastar, which I already have. Oh well. Alright, in this pack I have Skitty, Duskull, Cyndaquil, Shroomish. Oh, that's a nice one, but I've already got it though. Ludicolo Hologram, Rare Candy, Lileep. I don't think I've got this one yet. Reverse Hollow is Ekans, and the rare is an Arcanine, which I already have like 2 of. There's always that one rare in every set that you just seem to get a lot of. And for the Sandstorm, I think it's like Arcanine, because I've got heaps of them already. Eevee, Meryl, Shroomish, Natu, Root Fossil, Pelipper, Lombre. Oh, I don't know that one yet. The reverse is a Lunatone, and the rare is a Pichu. Average pack. I've already got a Pichu, but that Lunatone was cool. In this pack we have Lotad, Shroomish, Ekans, Claw Fossil, Onyx, Volbeat, Azuriel. Reverse is a Shiftry, already got 2 of them. Don't know why I keep getting them. And a Sandslash, which I already have. So good pulls in that pack, but I've already got them. In this packet we have Trapinch, Lotad, Wyoma, Dunsparce. Ah, that looks really good. Soul Hollow. That looks really nice. Delcatty, Anorith, Reverse Hollow Quilava, and the rare is Umbreon again. I think that's my 3rd one from this box. Wow. Yeah, I think I'm past halfway now. I don't think I'll get any more EXs, but the ones I have are really good. Psyduck, Dunsparce, Trapinch, Almanite, Eevee, Zatu, Azuriel, Reverse Hollow Azumarill, and the rare is Multi-Energy once again. Wow. Gee, how many do I have? Oh, I've got a fair bit left. I'll open one more and then I'll stop there for part 2. I'm no good at opening these boosters. I don't think I've got this Cyndaquil yet. Cyndaquil, Natu, Slakoth, Ekans. Oh, wow! No way, 4 EXs in this box! Wow! Aerodactyl EX, that is really nice. Way to finish off part 2. That is amazing. Lairon, Breloom, reverse is a Claw Fossil, and the rare is a Kecleon. Wow, I've gotten really good so far. That's it for part 2. Look out for part 3.